So here we are now at a section of the Arafo lava. It's next to the road, so sorry for the cars coming by, you will hear them. But here we have the lava of 1705 that came down the Guima Valley, and it's very rubbly, very much like the current 2021 La Palma lava. You see some of the hardened ridges that have been pushed up, and there's some more massive parts here that indicate flow textures, and I'll get you a little closer. Here you can see the massive part, less vesicular, and here is the more rubbly part. And of course there's a top breccia here that is falling down, producing rubbly little screes like this one here. So, and moving along the rubbly upper part, the top breccia, which has infilled this little kind of depression here, we are back into massive material here, and I'll try to get us a little closer. So here we have different mineral facies. There is reddish minerals, that is altered olivine, and then we have some pyroxene, the dark mineral here, for instance. So here's a reddish one, I should point it out better. And here's two, in fact. This is the former olivine. Here another pyroxene, and there's a little bit of plagioclase in there as well. So typical mineral assemblage for these rocks here in the Canary Islands. And the massive part is quite good for sampling. You get a nice, usually rather fresh sample here, and since the rock is not very old, it's very good for geochemistry. The olivines are not perfectly preserved anymore in most parts here, but if you look hard enough you do find some fresh ones. So here I'll bring you towards the front end of the outcrop. Here's the bottom breccia, at least partly exposed, and here we now come towards the top rubbly breccia part again, and this is the Arafo lava in close-up. It's also here on the other side of the road, but the outcrop is not quite as magnificent as the one here on my side, so I'll afford you a last look of the Arafo lava here. And this is in, as I said, the Guima Valley, which is up there, but we have clouds today. The sea of clouds is hanging over us. So it's time for me to make my way towards the airport now. So thank you for your attention. All the very best.